Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So this is going to be an exciting vlog. There's a lot going on. I'm going to dinner tonight with some friends. Tomorrow I do my usual like Sunday reset like routine, and then I also have a ballet performance coming up and also a concert. It's just like a good fun vlog, so I just wanted to kick it off. But today it's the weekend, but today I am filming for my video. I'm doing like a fall wardrobe, a fall like office wear kind of like reset or refresh. I found some really good, I was on the hunt for some slacks and just a few more sweaters and things like that I can add into my rotation, because I just really am trying to up level my office wear attire, and I think I did a pretty good job accomplishing that. So I'm kind of kicking off two videos. I'm gonna do two different intros. This one's for the vlog, but yeah, I'm wearing this beautiful yellow sweater that I got from H&M. And then you need to watch my video, which will come out before this vlog, but just see the rest of the outfit. But anyway, I just want to kick off this vlog because we are going to dinner later tonight, and it's gonna be fun. So I am ready to go for dinner. I did some really pretty makeup. I kind of like re-curled the ends of my hair after I had a very successful filming moment. But yeah, so I'm wearing this dress from Risa. This was like my fifth choice because the other options were not hitting the mark. Like I didn't want to feel like too covered up. I want to look hot, you know? Is that too hard to ask for? And then I am wearing these earrings from COS and just my usual rings. Then my little bag from Amazon. Actually, let me just show you. Okay, this is the vibe. It has like a cute slit and it's like low cut. It's very yummy. But yeah, this is the look for tonight. Fat martini with my name on it. Cannot wait. So my makeup just looks so good. I love NARS soft matte foundation. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Just sprayed a bunch of perfume. So today I'm about to head into the office. It's going to be a lovely evening. A lovely day / evening. I'm going into work, and then after there's a new ballet that's premiering tonight with ABT, and I'm really excited to go. I love Kate Herlin, and just watching her dance is like the best thing ever. So I bought tickets, so that's gonna be after work since I'm already by MSG area. It's super easy for me to get to the Lincoln Center, and so I just like to wear something for both. But I have like a full beat of makeup on, but it's fine. It should hopefully be a more chill day at work. I say full beat. I usually just don't wear a lot of makeup to work. So my outfit is gonna like transition into the evening. There are, let me just see. Okay, sorry, in my other video, the angles were so bad, so I'm trying to like find the best angles or whatever, but I wanted to wear these new stirrup leggings that I got from Commando. I had never ordered from them before, and so these leggings are pretty thick. It's like an overcast, pretty cold day. Probably going to be a low of like 48, but it's just feels colder than it actually is. So I actually doubled up what I have underneath, but I wanted to wear the stirrup leggings, my new Manolos, and then like a boxy blazer, and I have this gray boxy blazer from Zara. It just gives that exact look that's like, it's long enough to where it covers my butt, and then, you know, but not too oversized. I got this several years ago. And then underneath I have a black sweater on. It's like the usual black sweater that I wear from H&M, just to give me added layers of warmth. And I'm glad that the blazer is pretty boxy, because it's like not making it look bulky. But anyway, and then I'm wearing these boots from H&M, just so, like, I'm going to work first and I'm not running around the office in Manolos. And then I have on these black earrings from Revolve, my usual rings, and then I'll have my work bag. Yeah, I did a combo fragrance of the Jo Malone Velvet Rose and Sea by Armani. That is my fall, winter, autumn, winter fragrance. But anyway, I'll pick you up later whenever I am heading to, I don't know anything about work, but I'll pick you up later whenever I'm heading to the ballet. So it's all good. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Footage I got yesterday of the ballet, but this week has been a little challenging. Like, my cycle started today. You know, the days leading up, it's just like, oh my gosh, the mental battles. But anyway, I'm about to go to Purity Ring concert. I don't know if any of y'all listen to that kind of music. But yeah, I went to their concert like 6-7 years ago in Austin, and they were making a stop in Brooklyn. So I'm about to go meet my friend, to go get some food, and then we're gonna head to the concert. This is what I'm wearing. It's nothing crazy, TBH. I didn't want to wear any makeup. So besides eyebrows and stuff. But I'll show you the whole thing. But I just put on a hat. It's so gross outside. I was not expecting it to be raining sideways all day. But it's like rainy warm and humid, not rainy cold, which I kind of wish it was just like rainy cold, but whatever. But I'm wearing this hat from Zara. This cropped jacket is also, wait, all of this is from Zara, the more I think about it. This whole fit's from Zara, jacket, and then I just have like a black tee underneath, just in case it gets hot in the venue. And then, oh wait, these are from H&M. Huh? Jeans are from H&M, and then I'm just wearing my Nike Air Force Ones. I haven't worn these in forever, but this is what we're doing. It's like one of those concerts. I'm just trying to have a good time and chill. I'm not trying to do the most. This is the second night out on a school night. So your girl is trying her best. And then I just put all of my stuff in my jacquemus bag. Throw this over. But anyway, I gotta get all the way to Greenpoint. I think I'm just gonna call a car instead of like get my Lyft instead of because if I do the trains at this point, I'm gonna get there tomorrow. So this is the vibe. We're gonna have fun, and yeah, let's get it going. I will talk to you later. Bye. Hello. Hopefully you saw, I did take some videos of the concert. I had a really fun night last night. It was so, I just love going to concerts. So I had a really good time. We got some food, saw some good music, I drank a bunch. I was so stressed after work. Would not recommend splitting a full body of sake and then having 2 drinks after that, but it was great. I'm having a little bit of like hungover and like anxiety, but we're making it through the workday. Guys, look, oh my gosh. This, okay, I was like trying to find a place. This is what truly brings me joy. My sourdough is active, and let me just remove this. It's like she is active and rising. I do have her on a slight warmth. Maybe I'll put it back on for like 2 hours. Put the paper towel so it doesn't get condensation in there. But I'm so excited. I was having such a hard time with, I don't know. This has been a process, and I really want to make some bread later today, and I think I'm gonna actually be able to achieve that. So either today or like bake my loaves like in the morning, but we'll see. But I need to take Buckley on a walk, and then I gotta go because I might be a little bit late to this appointment, hopefully not. I'm getting a lymphatic massage. I have never done that before, but I've been wanting to do it. So I got this on Groupon. I'll let you know how that goes. And then I'm gonna get my nails done afterwards. Hopefully we're getting into the fall nails. So anywho, I will see you later. Bye. Okay, so crazy Friday night. I am starting my sourdough loaf. I'm just getting it going. My starter looks just hella active, and I want to use it before it falls. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so pumped. So I got my lymphatic drainage. It's if you don't like having it all hang out, I would not suggest doing that. It was very interesting, but I did like it. I have one more session in like 2 weeks because I bought like a 2-for-1 coupon. So I'm gonna do that in 2 weeks again, but it was so good. But here we are. I have my lovely yellow bowl that I splurged on and bought myself from ballerina form. So let's just get that there. Okay, I need to put in, let's do this guy here. What was it? 250 grams of active starter to large mixing bowl. Yay! And it's so good. It's so good. Okay, let's do this. And then here, and then 735 grams of room there. Room temp water. So what is it? 735. Roll that out again. It's like a lot. But anyway, I'm just gonna finish mixing this up and then, yeah, I don't want this video to be extremely long.